Let's make baked feta pasta, mac and cheese, jerk, and Scotch bonnet style with veggie pasta. All right, let's get started. So you're going to add a block of feta and a block of cream cheese in the center of a baking dish. Add a pound of pasta. I decided to use a veggie pasta. 2.5 to 3 cups of shredded cheese of your choice. 6 cups of milk. I decided to use oat milk. You can use whatever milk you like. A few tablespoons of minced garlic. Half a cup of spinach. Then you're going to take your Maggie jerk seasoning and add a generous amount. You'll then add half a cup of Scotch bonnet hot sauce on top. Then add a pinch of fresh black pepper. And then again, a small amount of Maggie All Purpose Seasoning. Do not forget to preheat your oven at 350 degrees and bake for 50 minutes. Now, while that is baking, you're going to cook your shrimp. Add a pound of shrimp into some butter and saute it. I use plant-based butter. Then you're going to, at the 50-minute mark, take out your baked pasta. All right, so you're gonna smush it around, mix it up. Incorporate everything together. Look at that. It is perfect. It baked perfectly. You see how it's just melting into the pasta. The pasta is also cooked perfectly. This is a foolproof recipe and method. Also tastes amazing. So easy. Then you will add, at the finish line, your shrimp on top. You can also add rotisserie chicken instead of the shrimp if you'd like. All right, so moment of truth. I did that. I perfected this recipe. That's it, folks. Try not to be rude. I talk with my mouth full. That is the creamy jerk and Scotch bonnet pasta. I will be posting this in the description box. So do not forget to like, comment, subscribe, share, and hit the notification bell so that you can be a part of the notification crew. I'm going to be posting another cooking session in the next 2 weeks with my friend Olivia. She teaches me how to make apple cinnamon rolls. Sit tight for that because it's the first time I'm actually baking from scratch. So stay tuned.